A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to ANB Exam Forum. Student, in the current affairs series, in today's session we are going to see index and rankings. And nowadays this topic is very important and you will have 1 to 2 questions from this particular topic itself. Okay. And all the questions which are presenting in today's session will be very helpful for RRB, SSC and many other exams. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So student, in index and ranking, these are the important subtopic that you should know. First is, in the index and ranking, you should know the India's rank. Okay. And as you know, ranking is basically the position given by the various institute. Okay. And India's rank, it is very important from the exam point of view. Okay. Then you should know the name of the publishing agency. Okay. These rank and indices basically are generated by some agencies. It can be government or it can be private. Okay. After that, you should also know the top position. Okay. So in that particular index and ranking, which country has topped, okay, which country has bottom, that you should know at the third level. Okay. And student, remember there are multiple index and ranking in the world. Okay. You should not remember each and every one of them. It is not required. Okay. So your focus should be on the very famous international agency which are given by UNDP, IMF, World Economic Forum and many others. Okay. Okay. So your focus should be on the very famous international agency. Okay. And at the end of the session, we are going to share the list of all the index and ranking for year 2024 to 2025. Okay. So let's see whether you can answer the questions or not. So the first question is on your screen. As per UNDP Human Development Index 2024, what is India's rank out of 193 country? Okay, this is very important question, student. Why? Because United Nations Development Program, it is one of the important program. Okay, and this HDI, it is also known as HDI, Human Development Index. Okay, which is issued by UNDP. And for year 2024, what is the India's rank? Okay. And student, you should remember it is option D, 134. Okay. So India's rank is 134 as per UNDP HDI rank. Okay. Human Development Index. Okay. Student, these index are basically, it is a result of some parameters they evaluate. Okay. It can be anything and they have some scoring method. Okay. So don't go into too much detail. Just remember the country name and the rank. Okay. So India's rank is 134th. Let's see the next question. Global Firepower Index compares 145 countries on their war making capability across land, sea and air. India achieved consistently dash rank for year 2024 and 2025. This is again a very important question. Okay. So this Global Firepower Index, what does this do? It is basically comparison of the war making capability across land, sea and air. It is basically try to see whether the country is able to make the weapons. Okay. And India has achieved consistently rank of what? Okay. Student, remember in Global Firepower Index, the top rank is notched by USA. Okay. USA, as you know, it is self-sustained in making the weapons. Okay. And India rank, student, remember it is rank 4th. Okay. So those who have given option B 4th, they are right. So India has achieved consistently 4th rank for year 2024 and 2025. Okay. Let's see the next question. Student, this is a very good question because our country is impacted by terrorism, and global terrorism index is one of the index which basically compares the country and the impact on the terrorism. Okay, like incident, fatalities and injuries over the 5 year. Okay, so what is India's position in year 2024? Yes. Yes, those who have given option A 14th, they are right. India got the position 14 as per the Global Terrorism Index in year 2024. Okay. Quickly moving to the next question, a very good question. So there is one important index is a World Happiness Index. Recently it was released for year 2025. And India rank is 118. So this thing you should remember, as per World Happiness Index, India rank is 118. And which country has topped? The top means which country is the most happy country. And these are the 4 options. All of them are European country. Okay. So those who have given option B, Finland, they are right. Finland has topped this index. Finland is one of the happiest country, okay, as per SDSN report. Okay. Coming to the next question, again student, this is a very important one. Global Gender Gap Index. Okay, Global Gender Gap Index. And he's saying that Iceland has stopped, whereas India rank was 129. Okay, so he is asking the index issued by the whom. Okay, so he has given lot of information that India rank is 129th, Iceland has stopped. He is asking who has issued this index, a very different one. Okay, and student, you should remember it is released by World Economic Forum. Okay, World Economic Forum is the right answer. Okay, so those who have given option C, they are right. It is released by World Economic Forum. Let's see the next question. It is a very good question. In fact, this Henley Passport Index, which was released in year 2025, it is basically based on the number of destinations that allow visa-free entry to their passport. The passport issued by the government of India say, so which of the countries, how many countries allow India's passport to have visa-free entry? Okay, so they have sorted for 195 countries, and you need to tell what is the India's rank for year 2025. Student, remember, it is 85th. 85th is the right answer. So those who have given option D, 85th, they are right. Quickly moving to the next question. What is the India's rank as per World Press Freedom Index 2025? Again, this is an important one because it is released in year 2025 and it is released by Reporter Without Border France out of 180 countries. You need to tell what is the India's rank. Okay, so if you see, the ranks are very close, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so you need to remember it is option A, 151. Okay, those who have given option 151, they are very good in current affairs. But if you see, out of 180, India's rank is 151. Okay, so Press Freedom Index is very poor in our country. Okay, as per this report. Okay. Again, a very important index, this I am highlighting as an important. Climate Change Performance Index. Okay, Climate Change Performance Index for year 2025. What is the India's rank? Okay, I know it is very confusing, like there are multiple index, but that's why I have given only 10 important index and ranking. Okay, and remember it is option C, 10th. India's climate change performance rank is 10th. Coming to the next question, as per Global Peace Index, out of 163 country, India's rank is 116. What is the which is the most peaceful country as per the report. Okay, so India's rank for global peace index is 116th, and you should remember the most peaceful country as per the report is Iceland. Okay, so Iceland is the most peaceful country as per this report. Again, this is very important question. Again, I am putting it as an important. Global Innovation Index, India secured 39th rank, okay, for year 2024. Which organization publishes this index? Okay, so student, it is very easy one. If you debug this abbreviation, you will get the information. It is, the answer for this question is option B, WIPO. Okay, so those who have given option B, they are right. So student, that's it. So we have seen 10 to 12 questions from index and ranking, and these are all the important index and ranking for year 2024 to 2025. Okay, so it is the name of the reports and index, issued by which organization, total countries, first rank, and India's rank. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. These are the other one. Okay, take the screenshot. Yes. So thank you, and if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. We will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.